Yeah.
Yeah.
Most of the time you change is in the profile templates. And then is your lab around here?
Yes, it's there.
Yeah, then we can see the radio afterwards. Okay. Alright. So we touched everything in the morning just now. You have played with the things. Okay, so are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's close this one. Close. Okay, from here the mapping we have the assign. Let's say you need to assign this radio to different network. You can just right click and deassign. Yeah. So then it will this one will be empty, then you have to assign again to whichever network that you want. Yeah, because in this database one radio can be assigned to only one network. Yeah, that is one. Like I said just now, we go to profile template because most of the setting is in the profile template. I'm just going to show you the most common one. Call configuration. This is where you set your TMO alarm. Okay, you want to have speech status and position, up to you. You can select which one you want. The most important thing is this one. So your dispatcher EC is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1, right? I put the full digit, so it's better. Your dispatcher ISSI is 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Okay. You can also send this to mode number 1. Okay, correct. Group to multi-point, direct setup, half duplex. Call lifetime. This one in Motorola world is called hot mic. Yeah? So this is where you set it. Live mic. So how long you want the radio to transmit? So I just put here 10 seconds. Yeah. How long you want the radio to receive, to listen? I put here 10 seconds. Call live mic PTT. It means if you want to use PTT, you can just use the PTT and it will override the hot mic. Okay. Call live mic cycle, I just put 0, so you can as many as you want until you press the PTT. Okay, okay, status message 1 destination, emergency 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oh, 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This one can be another destination if you want. Okay, this is alarm. Save it. I forget about the rest of the things. Channel. If I go here, now this is leave it as default.
What is quick TML? Yeah. Quick code TML.
I don't know. Never used this before.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you can try if you want.
Yeah.
Call out. This is not used anywhere else at the moment except Germany. So they have a voluntary fire brigade. So they bring back all the radio, so they can call anytime with a call out. So it's sent by dispatcher, and then automatically the top group, the profile is assigned to that radio. I don't know how it works anyway, because only Germany use this.
Okay.
Yeah,
Call out.
yeah.
So that's the reason why when we have the license, there is a call out license. You say we don't
Correct,
use.
correct.
Thank you.
So security for authentication. So you have to make sure if if it is mutual or not mutual.
Yeah.
This the behavior. So if you want to make mutual, this one I don't know what is your authentication, but normally it's not mutual. Mutual means both are challenging. Yeah. So at the moment it is only one side is from the network. So authentication is enabled. If you fail registration, it will deregister. Permanent disable signaling security for clear. I think you want to accept disable signaling. So with this one, that means every time the radio receive a permanent disable. I don't want to do this. Because if you use this, you have to send back radio to us. Yeah. So a temporary disable, maybe you want to accept. Yeah.
If it's temporarily disable, how we can enable it?
Just send back the signal, enable from your dispatcher. Yeah. So we accept either disable or enable signaling. Yeah. Okay. Other than that, nothing. Save. Operation wise, I think this is more to end-to-end encryption. Blah blah. It will work by default, so don't change this unless you were asked. No need this one. Status message, status setting. This is where you go to your whatever status. So I can put here for emergency. Maybe put text there, so it will be displayed on the screen. Position report if you want it. Status tag numbers, this is where you can add if you have status message. Yeah. Status trigger function, if you want certain status message to be sent and received and do something else. I think this is for the future, not a basic things. Okay, but the most important thing is this one. This is where you set your status and tags. Okay. Menu. Now this is where you set all the menu. Don't worry about this one. Call history settings. You can set the call history to incoming and outgoing, but this is only for individual call. Okay. So suppress call history duplicates. I mean, if it is too many times, it just show one number. Yeah. Network selection. I don't think you have multiple network, so it's not important. Now this is important. Radio setting. So this is the menu on the screen. So which one you want to have access? So GPS, blah blah blah, DMO, TX, power cut access. Just set it to access. Yeah. This is when you have the license. Remember we talked yesterday, you can choose the power output. So if you have a license and you set this to access, you will be able to see on the screen. Okay, audio access, backlight access, battery information access, Bluetooth if you have Bluetooth. Now for this BOS, don't worry about this. This German network. Yeah, they are using different way of their own. Not to say their own. They are using end-to-end encryption with SIM card. where they have their own SIM card, so they are using this thing. Yeah. Network change, you only one network. Pin change, access, day night mode screen, you can put it to access. You have this GPS direction, not important. Group folder, help screen, no access. Loudspeaker, man down. If you have license, you can. This is no Bluetooth, right? I think because yesterday he said the license cannot be generated because it didn't match the hardware.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you don't have.
So message inbox, access, operating mode. So just put this to access. So from here, you can select from the menu whether to go to DMO or TMO, or I can set a programmable key. Yeah, phone call history, phone contacts. Let's make it to access. We will do the phone contact later. Save as access, scan list access, scanning on off, make it to access. SDA, no, you're not going to use the SDA. Access. Time and date, normally we sync it to the network, so you don't have to worry about this. You don't want people to change the time because it is used for time stamping. User profile, no access. Walk, blah 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 blah. Speech call, no. Invert display if you want to. Language not applicable here. Auto keypad lock. Access, yes, access, yes, access. Okay, save. Too many. Close first. Save. Okay. User define scan list, display card, okay. STS messages. This one when you do application I will tell you. So this is where you specify the address and then what services it is used for. Yeah, GPS and everything. So it's not going to use at the moment. STS setting, so blah blah blah. Contact list, set it to enable. Blah blah blah. Leave it as it is. Domain search for individual SDS setters. So currently selected stack, so you can send the individual SDS in TMO and DMO. Is this recorded?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So save it. Nothing much. PI leave it as you default. User interface. Okay. Additional UI options. Screen and LED. Radio set ready. Okay. Timer. General app. Volume. And label. Keypad lock. Okay. Right. So nothing much here. So not here. And to add smart card. Knob. Leave it as default. Now keypad soft key. Keypad, this keypad 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is on the radio, you can program it to do certain function. Yeah. So at the moment, if you can see here, key number 3, I used to toggle between TMO and DMO. You can change it if you want. Yeah. So there are a lot of other things here. Yeah. So many things. You can go whichever you want. Yeah. You can set it as soft key. Change top group, volume up, volume down, blah blah blah. It's all in here. Okay, same, everything is in here, so you just choose whatever you want. Okay, if you want to, you can create a head text, begin soft key, return to top level, second language is not used here. So paging alert, privacy mode, no need to use this. Read and key, nothing. Soft key sequence, no. Switch on off options. Add power. Okay, you can set it here, but normally we use the last TMO and demo setting group. Initial talk group request method stack switch. Last TMO betul. This is the one. This is timer on switch on text. So you can put a text when you switch on. Okay. Only way switch on. Okay. 2. So you can set the audio level. This is new. You can set the audio level default at switch on. Yeah.
So there is something new.
Yeah. Have been requesting before, because what happened is, like in Malaysia, when the government use it, when they switch off the radio, when they turn on, the radio goes back to low volume.
Load, okay.
So they want,
You not you.
yeah, they want to straight away switch on,
Turn
goes
up.
loud.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can choose it here.
How many level we have? Wow. Okay, the maximum. Okay.
9.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this one I will show you later, because splash screen and privacy screen. Splash screen means when you turn on the radio. This is what we did in Thailand. So they want, when you switch on the radio, the government agency logo will pop up on the screen. Yeah. And then for maybe 3-4 seconds it will disappear. Yeah. Privacy screen is like what you see in UK police, because UK police, they use the radio here, so the screen is visible to public. So they don't want the public to see the talk group information, whatever, on the screen. So what happen is, when there is no interaction between you and the keypad or any other key, the radio will go to privacy screen. So the screen will show the police logo or whoever logo, so that you cannot see what is on the screen, department or whatever on the screen. So it will just show the police logo.
So
Yeah.
looks like the Windows saving screen.
Something like that. Yeah.
Okay.
But screensaver, if you start to move the radio, if you have GPS, it will disappear. Yeah. But for privacy screen, until you press the PTT, then it will disappear. Yeah.
Is the on doing VMOTs, do they need their own logo?
No.
Okay. So they just turn on Motorola, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
DJ ni group Malaysia to format, leave it as default. DJ ni auto select, I just use here. You can disable this as well if you want. You know DJNA, right?
Yeah.
So I just set it to accept any attachment, whether it's individual or group. Yeah. So this template attached, you can change it if you want. Okay, when deassign, do you want to retain as static group or not? You can try this, change this, and what happened in DJNA. Yeah. DJNA deassignment, you revert back to default group operation, or no action, or revert to previous selected group. Normally people will use to revert to previous selected group.
Yeah.
Yeah. So save. close this one, leave it as default, leave it as default, and then you go to profile. Let's go here, additional UI options, switch on, day mode, enable, that's active mode, normal, okay, enable, okay. Group coverage early, just coverage, okay. And then you have alerts. Okay, this is where people always ask me, where I normally try and error when you use because you are so used to Motorola. When you use Motorola radio, you just toot, correct? Toot, you speak, right? But with this thing, by default, we have the toot. Yeah. Some people don't like it. Yeah. So. Yeah. Okay. For Motorola.
That's more like more Motorola way.
No, Motorola you just put, speak, finish. There is no disconnect tone, like in Motorola.
Yeah.
You press, then you talk. Then you release, nothing happen. But this one have. If you don't like it, you can change it. Where? Here. You see, there are so many alert. You choose whichever you like to off, you turn it off. Okay? Is in user profile 1, alerts. In information alerts, just switch it off. Yeah? Don't ask me which one. I don't know. Because me myself, I turn off everything, then I on one by one. Okay, this is what I want. Because normally what we need is only the no. We always want the this information is under call alert. Okay, so what normally we want is just TX granted alert. Yeah, and TX granted in DMO. Yeah, so we don't want everything else, so you can turn it off. Yeah, stop talking alert, whatever things you can turn it off if you want to. Yeah, so it's in call alerts. Then information alerts, this is where you turn off alerts on information. Invalid function alert, new message alert, you know, no service alert. Yeah, that means when you are out of coverage, you will turn on. Yeah, this is when you have coverage, it will turn on, so we turn it off. Low battery, what else? Key click, if you want to hear the click, you can turn it on. Yeah, repeater found, they want, so it's here, it's all under alerts, you can turn it on and off. Now on alert type, normally when people are used to analog world, I have customer in Malaysia, he said that in trunk mode, I want to differentiate when people are using DMO or TMO. So in TMO, he want a tone signal, toot, then he know it's TMO. In DMO, he wants to hear white noise. White noise means like something like squatch. So he knows that people are there in DMO. So you can change it here. Okay, where is it? Okay, single granted alert tone in trunk mode is tone. So in direct mode, you can change it to TS granted alert. Okay, no, not this one. Okay, TS granted alert type direct mode, white noise. So when you press the PTT in demo, you hear the okay, up to you, but you can change it here if you want. Okay, the rest are all here. save it. Audio parameters, normally by default this should work, but in certain area if you want it to be louder, this minimum speech and maximum speech volume is your audio volume. And in some cases in Malaysia, the alert tone, they say, "Wah, too loud, I want the alert tone too loud." So this is the minimum alert volume and maximum alert volume. So this one is for your speech audio.
Yeah.
This one is for your alert audio. Okay, I leave it as default at the moment. Security, I don't think there is much you can put here. Indication, user profile, menu one. Vibrator, if you want to on the vibrator, you can on the vibrator, but it will consume your battery. You can turn it on. Okay. Warp, all the configuration is here. Don't ask me how. I don't normally configure warp because for me it's useless. To use warp in a narrow band environment is very pain in the beep, very slow. But if you want to configure, it's here. Yeah, so this is where you configure all your warp setting, the MMC file and stuff. Yeah, we start to look for the MMC file. Okay, forget about this one. I'm not going to use this. Not the here's one. Ambience listening. We use ambience listening here?
No, not often.
Yep, okay. But it's here if you want. Just a setting of where you want to enable it, from where, and what is the status message to enable the ambient listening. But this is very sensitive. Accessories, okay. Cover facility, nothing. GPS, okay. Selected is GPS. I think now we have GLONASS, Beidou and Galileo. You can select which one you want. Okay, normally use GPS. Portable, so default GPS reporting type is EC LIP. Yeah, but we support this as well. Interval time, this is in minutes. Yeah. This is report type. Yeah. Long with no time, long report with time, long report with time of position, short report.
But what is the maximum report interval?
This one?
Yeah. Minimum. What is the minimum?
I think minimum is 6 seconds, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Because we used to have below that for one customer, I cannot name the customer, every 1 second. But the battery drain very fast. Yeah. So this one, I think the minimum is. Do you have a head file on this? No. Let's try and change to say 5 seconds. Can
It is 5 minutes or 5 seconds?
Oh, sorry, this is minute. 0 0.5. No, 6 is the minimum. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, the chef like it. để anh phải xem lại nhiều lắm. Ừ. Được. Dạ, ok.
Okay, so since we don't have GPS at the moment, I just skip this part. Noise cancellation, I think this more into Korean last time. Real time clock setting. So in this case, you have to set what is the offset time here? Minus
GMT plus 7.
GMT plus 7.
Mm.
7 times 6, 420. Correct? 420 second. 420 second.
Oh, you mean how many seconds?
Minutes.
How many hours?
Hours. That is hours, but we are in minutes. So 1 hour is 60. So 7 hour is 420. Okay. Okay, full hours. Accept local time offset. Accept. Okay. And then time server synchronization. So first is network. PI. Okay. Save this. Again, this vibrator, I don't want to go into this one, not that important, but you can set it here if you want. Packet data, this is where you set all your IP, PPP option, yeah, if you need to. And what is PDN? Oh, the authentication. Okay. Repeater. Okay, repeater call participation means if you have a license for the radio to be a repeater, you can use the radio while the radio is in repeater mode. Yeah, so that is called participation. No GPS, blah blah blah. Okay, done. So save this. That is on the profile. Yeah, one more thing. Let's say in the future you need some help from me or from customer support, and you were asked to send out your template, so you can export the templates. Just go here. So here, right click, export. RMT stands for Radio Manager Templates file.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
export file. So this is top group, yeah. So anti trial top group. Okay, and then go to the network. Export RMT file. I just put this one and then mark it as network template. Save. Same goes. Yeah, just send it. Export RMT. Paste. This is product. Save. Export RMT, and this is profile. Save. That's it. Okay, now I'm going to show you phone book. So let's say I do a master contact list, edit, NT trial. Okay. The new contact list. So full name is what do you want to name?
Because you can name.
What is the ISSI again?
I 924011.
Nine two four
9240 011
011
and 012.
4011. So this is 6. Must be 8.
0.
This is tetra. Radio 4011. Yeah, just take the last 4 digit. 924011, maybe 3 digit. 011. Okay. Okay. I think I made it wrong. Categories, put it under NT trial. Okay, and then I add another one. So again, zero 924 012, correct?
Yeah.
So radio 012 2 3 4 6 7 2 4 6 8. Okay, call type is tetra. Category NT trial. Okay. Okay, master contact list. Programming batch. save. Good. This is your master contact list. Okay, your phone book. So when you go to templates, I create another new contact list templates. So this is ZNT JUL 2023. Okay. Okay. Contact list, open up this one. Okay, so I go to master contact list. I have these two, so highlight these two, then go here. I have this one. Save, close, done. Go to programming batch. I can duplicate the batch if I want to. Yeah. Or I can choose back the thing. So to make things faster, so I just duplicate batch. So, but you must make sure which template you have changed just now. So in this one, I've changed some in. So I just put everything is inactive. I changed the profile. I didn't change the SDA. I changed the top group. Okay, what else? Yeah, should be okay. Next. Okay, there's an error. Secondary list. Okay.
Sorry, I just want to keep staying out a little bit. Question. After this video with you, who will be the main the main engineer to program? Is that will be you or your?
No, my friend here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they will do that. So
But they are not here.
Yeah, it's a problem because sometimes customer call, they're very urgent, so they have to go to support.
don't worry. I just want to ask because I want to know. Maybe before we left, they can get 30 minutes. They try without us. Then they will meet the problem. They will see the problem, and we can help them immediately. That's what
I don't think yes, because they have record this thing anyway.
Oh,
They can
yeah.
refer back.
Okay.
It's recorded.
I think after today I will work with them. To see
30 minutes will
I
be
will tell them something. Maybe I have to work with them for maybe 2 or 3 first day.
About this one. Yeah. I just want to see if they will. But this afternoon they are occupied.
You can't do it this afternoon because they have to refer back to the video because most of them is out during the session.
They don't know anything. Yeah.
NTV band at scan blah blah blah. Latest. With phone book. Okay.
Jangan berdia. Kerja ini
Finish. Then take this cable, plug it in, show you something. Even without launching the client, because the Sepura programming services is running on the background. So even without opening up the client, it should, I just close the client. It should push the programming batch. Okay, let's see. Okay. Now I didn't on the client, yeah. So put this one in. See if it is push. It should push because the programming job, the programming services is running in the background. To make it faster, take out the battery, put it back. Force it. It's not push. That's weird. Never mind. Launch the client. this is what we program in the radio.
Ah, okay, yeah. Yeah, this is a license. You are able to show it on the screen, so you can demo this one to the customer.
Okay. So I don't know what happened, but there is something wrong with the phone book. I will check later on. So should show the phone book, but it's not there. I will check the programming afterwards. So this is the menu. No application, network. I think nothing much here. So operating mode. So you have trunk, direct mode, repeater mode. Yeah. Back, and then you go to setting. So this is where your alert, audio alert. So you want to enable the alert or disable the alert, you can choose from here. Okay. And then setting, loudspeaker, do you want to on or off? Display setting, day and night mode. Okay. Toggle night mode. Okay. Day mode. So backlight enable. 7. Menu style, you can change to list, card or grid. Yeah. If list, then what will happen? It will become like this. You press, it will become a list, like your mobile phone. Yeah. Go down. Yeah. Go back again. Setting, display setting. If you cut, then it will be left to right. Okay. This is the classic Sepura structure. But normally people will like to use like their mobile phone, so we just choose grid. Okay. Back, grid. But it's up to you. Select setting, time and date. We have to wait for it to sync with the network. DMO TX power, high, 1 watt, 300 milliwatt, 100 milliwatt, 30 milliwatt. This is what I said just now. Yeah. So we can change the DMO TX power. Repeater. I think we can't do much with this one because it's portable. Keypad lock and stuff. Okay. And what else? Battery information. Messages. Yeah. This is the folder. All folder. We are in DMO. Scan list. You can see this because we are in DMO. Okay. That's it. What else?
Zach forgot to which button is switch DMO and TMO?
3.
3, thank you.
Yeah. So if you press 3, it goes like that.
Can you do the 5 for reverse and also here?
Come here.
5. Press 5 is reverse.
I don't know whether I said it.
Yeah. Okay. And so the reason why I ask is some people wear the radio here, but they don't want to see. So we have a 5. No, upside down. Which one is upside down? They were reversed. Forgot. It's 3, I think. Ah. No.
Just go back.
Yeah, it's this program. So some radio I see few from the previously one. So the file is the size. I'm sorry. 3 is for the TMO DMO.
Yep, that is the default.
Oh, that's the default. Okay, so this one is okay. Thank you.
Okay. I need to look at the phone book. Don't know why it's not working. Just go back. See the phone book. Okay, leave it here. Template. This network. I'm gonna go for home. Blah blah blah. Is it? Tetra. Master contact list. Two, three, four, five, six, seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which is correct. Why the shift button is not working? I know why. I know why.
I thought I'm not going to go there.
I think I know why. This is because yes, because I didn't put the contact list. So after this, maybe we can go to your lab and see.
Yeah.
Yeah. document. Okay, can
Yeah.
we try at your in the this show. Okay, if I dial from here, radio 1 2, check. You see, that is individual call from this radio, which is radio 11 to radio 12. This is individual call. Yeah. So you press within the time, still individual call. If you release, then the time out, press, it's going to be group call, demo 1 from radio 11. Yeah. Okay, do you want to see this thing in the lab?
Yeah, okay. Let's go.
this radio stuck in the individual mode. So bench. They handle the PlayStation, I tell you, very messy.
Very messy. Did you see there is a P25 base station and a Tetra base station? But they're not. They are, from my point of view, they are good customer. They buy a system.
But they're not going to be focused.
Yeah. I see they are changing the group.
Changing the group? Meaning?
There's how to put it, they change the couple.
Oh, okay.
Because they have the urgent request to do some tests, so they change.
Sure.
Yeah, so everything is different right now.
So let's not play with the individual core in demo. Dangerous.
What is that in the box?
My headphone. That's where I put my charger cable.
Okay. That makes sense.
Hello, small time. 1, 2, 3.
Who's talking?
It's a DMO. DMO.
I don't know why I know my voice. Oh, by the way, Terrence replied email already.
Yeah.
So you can, I mean, he didn't reply me email like 5 days, 3 days, I'm sorry. It's not some piece. You go.
Why?
You are asking yourself why. The best answer I can give to you is buy a cup for you. finish 还你好，两件事情。Olivia 他的那个 email 礼拜一的，我已经有发出去给剑桥，就能问他们说到底这个钱是怎样的事情，我会再回复给你，这是第一个事情。 然后第二个没关系，然后第二个那个看起来你觉得是台北 Circle Line，就是跟你同一个案子就对了。
I need to go back.
哦，啊，嗯，嗯嗯嗯嗯嗯嗯嗯。对对对，对，所以我才好奇到底哪个案子出来的。对，那要么一定也是 Celix 啊，不，Leonardo 啊，这样说。OK， 了解。但千万不要了，对啊，所以等一下一定是他们案子上面也会告诉我们啊，对不对？但是我就比较好奇，到底是谁到底是哪一个案子要去？因为有90个手机。这样子。没有，那些应该都是Leonardo了，我猜。我们唯一能做的应该就是手机跟车子。
I need to go back soon.
但是那个字的那个中文字写的方法，就像是你看起来就像是台北的字头嘛，环状线。OK。如果我能告诉你是谁给我的就可以，但是我现在没办法跟你讲，真的不好意思。对对对。对啊。好吧，没关系。如果想不出来，可能是台北，也有可能高雄，我也不知道是哪一个。我如果问出来的话，我再跟你说吧。反正就看起来不是很我们的，我只是有被打到出来，这个是什么东西？反正你大概就猜得出来应该什么系统上的事情，反正就是我这边，对啊，跟我也没关系，只是我没有掌握到而已，我也不知道是什么案子。对啊，这也不是你的问题啊，我觉得谁都不知道，应该是这样。OK。了解，好，感谢，好，没事了，想是跟你说一下而已，拜，拜拜。淡化，我觉得你好漂亮哦。想你啊，猪啊，他们去做测试了，然后我就只能站在这里。哎，你有发现我猪有复活吗？对，我真的有复活。没有，我就只有吐而已。但就是冒冷汗的那一种，冷到吐出来。我就是冷到那个，我发现我里面穿的衣服都湿了。对啊， 就突然那一下，半小时之后就好了。然后中午我去喝冰水，就喝很多水，就好一点。老婆，我问你哦，你牙齿总共看了多少钱？差不多。什么意思？就包含全部啦，我不是说我付多少钱，那不重要，我只是想要知道一个大概价钱。好 ，OK，if I may， 为了这80万，你咬东西可以小力一点哦。好了，老公不会在意我花多少钱了，因为那是你。干嘛这样？我花了大概多少钱？老婆，果然人家讲的漂亮的老婆很难养，真的是真的。丑女儿嘞。我漂亮女儿嘞，这么认真啊？是哦，你昨晚有跟她睡吗？哦，那很好啊。其实这样也好，她长大了，好吧？对啊，这样至少脚不会被撞到。testing。没事，我只是在等他们。老婆先这样子，同事来了。来。Does it work?
I don't know what the heck they are doing.
You don't know what they are doing. Maybe they are trying to program the radio in the best way. Take a rest.
I thought everything is ready.
Shoot. Your meeting.
Yeah, 5:30.
Our time, right?
An hour, yeah.
5:30. That will be 40 minutes later. You need to go now.
Never mind. We need to set this thing. If I have to take the call from here.
Is there any confidential things?
No.
Okay. Okay. Do you need some coffee or anything?
Coffee.
Yeah, I can buy some coffee for them, including you. I mean, they get a hard time.
That's gonna be nice.
Yeah, that'll be nice, right? Okay, let me get some. Let me choose, okay? Let me choose for you guys. You guys can choose the mocha, those kind of things.
Yes, Irish. Oh, okay.
Sai 2 là bao nhiêu? Chấm 2, chấm 1 hay chấm 2, chấm 2? Hiện tại đang là chấm 2, chấm 2 đúng không?
Đúng rồi.
Em vừa sửa lên chưa nào?
Đây
Sửa
là
là chấm 2 rồi, chưa là chấm 2.
đúng chưa?
chấm 2 đúng rồi đấy.
Sửa này nó sai cả phân đầu, quan trọng là bên trong nó có nhận cái cấu hình này không.
Link cái sai link up.
Bao nhiêu anh nhỉ? Cái này bao nhiêu
Đây
anh
chỉ
nhỉ?
là sai link up.
Bao nhiêu?
890
Không phải.
nhưng của em chắc để khác.
Thôi từ từ. Đây là cái
File anh gửi trong nhóm này, mở ra.
đây đúng không? Đây là thử cấu hình nha là xong. Thằng nào nó cũng không lên đúng không?
Nó là có thể gọi được đúng không?
Tổng đài nối một trạm đấy thôi chứ còn một trạm nào nữa. Đây có mấy đây lấy nhanh.
Ủa quất bao bùng vừa ăn vừa phát hành.
Để ra thứ nát rồi. Đây à?
Không được, không phải.
Dây này dây thứ nát đây anh.
Tôi biết rồi.
Dây này cắm vào con ngựa từ đầu mà đây vẫn cùi mà.
Đây nó có xe.
Sao?
Ăn rồi gì mà tối nữa. Thì nó xe lại.
Rồi lại lại tối.
Từ lại là
Chờ một phút nha. Xem con kia nó lên nó xem nó gì.
Còn đây là địa chỉ sai xa sang đây là xe A đúng không?
Ở trên này thì nó phải là xe B mà em cắm thẳng vào thì phải là 24.2 không phải.
254.2 em vào rồi, không được.
Cái gì đây?
Rồi địa chỉ ấy,
10.0.254.2
rồi địa chỉ trên máy nữa.
rồi
Địa chỉ trên máy.
rồi
Đó. Thế sao anh vào được không? Lại không được này à?
Anh tháo bằng trên.
Đúng chưa?
nhưng mà
Đây nhá, con này được rồi này. Con này là ba.
Nếu mà tay không chờ nó lên xong chưa? Bây giờ
Chưa xong, chưa phát rồi.
nếu mà đổi trong SC đấy thì đừng cắm dây đừng cắm lá xuống nhé. Thế là cắm VL.
còn để cái sản phẩm này
Phát rồi đúng không?
Chưa phát, chưa phát rồi.
Cái này sao?
Đấy,
Sau chuyển qua
phát rồi.
Phát rồi chắc cắm dây VL
cứ để máy cầm hoa vào cái để máy.
Đấy, xanh rồi còn gì nữa. Thôi.
Còn đây địa chỉ con router 1 là bao nhiêu nhỉ?
nào địa chỉ con router 1 anh vào bằng cái đi vào
Ồ.
Cái này đây là nghĩa là cái con kia của người ta là bị đẩy từ trên từ tải xuống, nhưng câu hỏi của ta là tại sao link nó cũng có sai link nhưng mà nó lại không thông. Firewall
Không bằng firewall, nó đi qua tunnel.
nó đi là tunnel thì nó kêu được, nhưng mà cái kiểu chế đi kia thì cái phần manager người ta đi
Cái địa chỉ mà anh ping làm quản trị đấy nó đi qua tunnel, nó đi thẳng luôn.
sao được Quân?
Xe lại.
Quân ơi,
Sao thế anh?
tưởng đẩy cấu hình rồi chỉ được cắm vào, xong bây giờ phải reset phát ấy.
Thì nó bảo phải reset thì mình phải reset thôi.
Ai bảo?
Máy nó bảo. Đấy, được rồi đấy.
Cái phần suy kia mình đã xong rồi.
Hiện tại nó nhắn là xong rồi, nhưng mà theo cái cấu hình của mô tô ở trên con router là không được nhau, thì mình không ping được cái địa chỉ đấy. Tôi tốt và tôi nói là sai cái địa chỉ của người 2208 254 của router nó không có pin ra thì sẽ không ping được cái địa chỉ. Mình không biết là với cái port quay cái x thì nó có khác không, hay là giống như quay 5K, như quay 5K thì không cần
Không cần đi lên.
không cần VN của router, không cần phải xuất thì có VN.
Thế thì mình cứ bán lên là tăng triệu. Nhưng mà sai router, sai suy đang cắm nguồn cho khác rồi mà làm nó cắm được. Sao lúc nào cần cắm một dây không đến đây thôi cắm
Chứ anh cắm luôn rồi.
Sao vừa anh vẫn vào
cái coi như bây giờ cái nối nó xong rồi
đó.
lên
Được quá. Sạch rồi anh em. Bịt nhau. Bịt nhau.
Rồi reset ra đây. Reset bây giờ.
Sau này chúng ta cố gắng